The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is back in the spotlight this Black Friday, thanks to a massive discount that makes it one of the best foldable deals of the year. If the newer Pixel 10 Pro Fold still feels too expensive, even with its own discount, this might be the perfect time to look one generation back and save big. Right now on Amazon, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is available at 30% off. That is a huge $539 price cut from its original price. Deals like this don't come often, and even though this isn't the biggest discount the phone has ever seen, it's still one of the best offers available today. Earlier in the year, Amazon briefly dropped the price by $600, and Best Buy pushed things even further with a $700 discount. But those deals disappeared almost instantly and never came back, so grabbing $539 off today is still an excellent opportunity. Now, some people may wonder if buying the Pixel 9 Pro Fold still makes sense when the Pixel 10 Pro Fold exists. The answer is yes, especially if you're trying to save money. Both models look almost the same, and the design barely changed. The newer model doesn't bring that many major upgrades, and when you compare the two side by side, the value of last year's model becomes very clear. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold still runs smoothly, has strong hardware, and is powered by the Tensor G4 processor. With the new discount, it's nearly $140 cheaper than the updated model, making it a smart pick for anyone who wants a premium foldable without paying new release prices. Let's talk about what you get with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It features a sharp and vibrant 6.3-inch OLED cover screen, perfect for quick tasks, messages, and apps you check multiple times per day. But the real highlight is the 8-inch main display. This large screen is bright, colorful, and extremely smooth thanks to its 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, reading, or multitasking, the main panel feels responsive and immersive. Cameras are another strong point. Google has packed a 48-megapixel main camera on the rear that captures images with rich detail and accurate colors. The 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide lens keeps scenes sharp and natural, while the 10.8-megapixel 5x periscope lens offers excellent zoom performance without losing clarity. No matter the lighting or situation, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold holds up well, and Google's image processing continues to be one of the best in the industry. Battery life on the phone is steady and reliable. It's built to handle a full day comfortably, even with heavy use across both displays. And because this is a Google device, you also get long software support, which means years of updates, fresh features, and improved performance over time. Add Google's upgraded AI tools, and the phone becomes even more capable, helping with tasks like photo editing, voice typing, smart suggestions, and more. All these features combined make the Pixel 9 Pro Fold one of the strongest foldables you can buy in 2025. It's powerful, polished, and versatile. And now that it's $539 cheaper, it's a deal that becomes even harder to ignore. If you've been waiting for the right moment to try a foldable phone or upgrade from an older one, this Black Friday might be your chance. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold delivers a premium experience at a much more reasonable price, and discounts of this size don't tend to stay around for long. If the deal is still available when you check, this might be the perfect time to grab one and save big.